Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. Yeah, I was just waiting to for 11 o'clock. Asha, I think Dhruvi, you are already there in the meeting. I saw your message yesterday, but I just wanted to remind that I have already uploaded up to page 55, unit 2, in your file section on 27th.
Yeah, yeah,
Huh?
I saw it. Sir, I
Yeah.
saw it.
No problem, no problem. I thought I checked before joining this meeting. I was checking my file section. So I thought I must just again remind all of you that I have already uploaded up to unit 2 on 27th of December. It goes, I think, up to page number 55. Okay, so I'll just wait for 1 or 2 minutes more because already you are 23, 20, 24 students are there. I hope you will be able to join today. Till then, I can see my screen. You can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Thank you. Just 1 or 2 minutes more. Okay. Have you seen any book of statistics till I am 34 now? Just 1 or 2 minutes more. Let me cross 40. आप में से कोई स्टैटिस्टिक्स की किताब देखी है आप लोगों ने?
Yes,
एनी
sir.
बुक? विच
हाँ,
वन?
sir, देखिए.
कौन
Yes, sir.
सी?
Fundamental.
फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ
Mathematical statistics.
बाय गुप्ता एंड कपूर, राइट?
Yes, sir.
That is one of the
Yes,
books
sir.
which right, right. That is one of the books actually which I mentioned in some of my lectures. But somebody was asking sir stem and leaf तो उसमें दिया नहीं हुआ है, या जैसे बहुत से डायग्राम्स जो बाइवेरिएट एनालिसिस में हम लोगों ने डायग्रामेटिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन देखा, these things you will not find in Gupta and Kapoor. There are certain books, yes, yes. There are
Yes.
certain books of statistics online. See, generally I am not very much in favor of online material, but there is no harm if it is verified. Say, for example, all of you must be using or must be knowing about Wikipedia. So you have some idea in general. And there also, if you go to Wikipedia, they say that this page needs cleaning or something like that. So I'm not against it, number one. from wherever you get the material which is easily understandable for you. Because on the net, actually it starts from very elementary understanding and it sometimes goes up to the research level. So what my suggestion would be that whatever I am uploading in the file section is okay, is sufficient for whatever we are discussing in the class. But if you need some practice, of course, that you will be doing in your practical classes also. But if you need something kind of supplementary material, you want to add something more, because always I tell in my all the classes, not only in BSc, even in MSc, that my notes are okay, it is sufficient to have my notes, but nobody stops you to refer to some other books also. So please have the habit from the beginning itself. So you have joined your college just now, first year, first semester. I'm not against whatever the way of teaching you have been following in the schools or wherever you go, but now you should expand your net. Whatever is sir is telling is okay is one thing. Can we add something more? And if you get something new, of course it's little bit late now. We are already entered into unit 3, but doesn't matter. We can always keep on discussing. Sir, I have seen this thing there. Sir, what does this mean? I am not able to follow this part, that part, whatever. So maybe one or two query we can always attend to. Okay, this was just my remark, waiting remark. I was just waiting. Now you are already 43. So I'll go back to my lecture. And as you see, the screen is already in front of you. What I was telling in the last lecture yesterday, regress means moving backward. Moving backward towards where somebody actually answered also. So we are moving backwards towards the average value if possible. So what is the first step in regression? We again go ahead with the scatter diagram. Now in the scatter diagram, I had just come to this point, what we call as the principle of least squares. Least means minimum, and you want to minimize the distance. Why you are calling it a square? Because sir, distance cannot be negative. Can you say that the distance between Ahmedabad and Baroda is minus 120 kilometer? Makes no sense. But suppose there is a line, again I'll use this diagram only, and you draw a line passing through these points, almost touching all the points. So some of the points which are lying below this will be having negative values of yi if you put the value of xi. So in that case, the distance between this line and this point where my cursor is moving can become negative, and that is nonsense. So in that sense, we are using the word square. So whether it is positive, that means suppose like there is a point here, which is also not on the line. See, what do you mean by that the point is on the line? In very simple language, sir, if it is the equation is y is equal to mx plus c, so if I put the value of x and y, left hand side should be equal to right hand side, just like satisfying an equation. So if the coordinates are lying on the line, means y is equal to mx plus c is satisfied. But it is not necessary, because these are the data points, and as I have told you many number of times, the data will come on its own. You cannot force, no, every point should lie on this line. May be very difficult. But then what is the idea? The idea is that if you look at the word here, when I was using the word that I am trying to establish a relationship between all this value, and we are trying to suggest a functional relationship, say y is equal to fx, and hopefully we are just talking about at the moment fitting of a straight line, that this function is a linear function of x. That means how we are going to fit a line which is the best fit if possible. So we talk about something like not drawing. It is not, remember, it is not, I'm not using the word drawing a straight line, which you have done in the school. The word changes. We are using the word here, fitting of a straight line.